Lecture: How Chocolate is Made. Introduction. Chocolate is one of the most beloved treats in the world. It originates from the cacao tree, Theobroma cacao, which produces pods containing cacao beans. The process of turning these beans into the chocolate we enjoy involves several steps, including harvesting, fermentation, drying, roasting, grinding, and refining. This lecture will explore each step in detail. 1. Harvesting the cacao pods. Cacao trees grow in tropical regions near the equator, such as West Africa, South America, and Southeast Asia. Farmers carefully harvest the cacao pods by hand using machetes to avoid damaging the tree. The pods are then split open to reveal the cacao beans inside. 2. Fermentation. Once extracted, the cacao beans are placed in shallow containers or banana leaves and left to ferment for several days. Fermentation is crucial as it helps develop the beans' flavor by reducing their bitterness and enhancing their chocolatey aroma. 3. Drying. After fermentation, the beans are spread out under the sun and left to dry for about a week. This process reduces moisture content and prevents mold growth. Farmers frequently turn the beans to ensure even drying. 4. Roasting. The dried beans are transported to chocolate manufacturers, where they undergo roasting at different temperatures and durations, depending on the desired flavor profile. Roasting enhances the aroma and deepens the chocolate flavor, while making the shells easier to remove. 5. Winnowing. After roasting, the beans are cracked open, and the outer shells are removed, leaving behind the cacao nibs. The nibs are the essence of chocolate and contain the rich flavors we associate with the treat. 6. Grinding and conching. The cacao nibs are ground into a thick paste known as chocolate liquor. This substance contains cocoa solids and cocoa butter. The chocolate liquor undergoes further processing in a step called conching, where it is continuously mixed and aerated to improve texture and flavor. 7. Refining and tempering. Depending on the type of chocolate being produced, additional ingredients such as sugar, milk, and vanilla may be added. The mixture is refined to ensure smoothness, then tempered by carefully cooling and reheating it. Tempering ensures the chocolate has a glossy finish and a satisfying snap when broken. 8. Molding and packaging. Finally, the chocolate is poured into molds and allowed to cool and harden before being packaged for distribution. It is then sent to markets and stores for consumers to enjoy. Conclusion. The process of making chocolate is a fascinating journey that transforms bitter cacao beans into a delicious treat. From harvesting and fermentation to refining and tempering, each step plays a critical role in achieving the perfect chocolate flavor and texture. Understanding this process helps us appreciate the craftsmanship behind every chocolate bar.